Welcome back again to another video. It is another beautiful day to thank God. One Africa, one love, one nation. We are going to see how far Talanta City Stadium is going, and as you can see, it is impressive. The progress is impressive. I have no word to express this. To support our channel, go ahead and subscribe. We are aiming to hit 1,000 subscribers. God will bless you. Let's go. Talanta City Stadium is set to become a key venue for both local and international sporting events, with a primary focus on football designed to meet international standards. Talanta City Stadium will provide state-of-the-art amenities for spectators and event organizers. It is a part of the larger Talanta City development project, which aims to create a multifaceted complex, including residential, commercial, and educational spaces. So once it is completed, the stadium is expected have a seating capacity of over 60, making it one of the largest in the region. It will feature modern infrastructure such as VIP lounge, media rooms, training facilities, and site technologies for water and energy conservation. The stadium is designed to accommodate a variety of events beyond football, including concerts and other competitions. Talanta City Stadium represents a significant investment in Kenya's sports infrastructure and is expected to play a major role in boosting the country's sporting culture. It will provide a platform for nurturing local talent and attracting international events, contributing to the growth of sports and tourism in the region.